B. Practice the key expressions using the words and phrases in A. 1.
What time do you brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth at 7:30 every day.
2.
What time do you get dressed?
I get dressed at 8 o'clock every day.
3.
What time do you feed your pet?
I feed my pet at 8:40 every day.
4.
What time do you have soccer practice?
I have soccer practice at 3:15 every day.
5.
What time do you practice the guitar?
I practice the guitar at 5 every day.
6.
What time do you surf the internet?
I surf the internet at 8:20 every day.